in Hamilton's crucible. 87's fire burns a nation's heart where history turns. Cold War echoes on the ice's thin sheen. Maple pride rises fierce and serene. Lemieux and Gretzky, a spark in the fray. With 1:26 left, they seize the day. Game 3 unfolds, a 3-3 tie. Soviets press, but Canada won't comply. From 5-3 down, we claw to a stand. Lemieux's will, the true North's command. Kelly's voice cuts through the roar of the crowd. A 2-on-1 weaves Canada unbound. From prairie winds to the Maritimes call, our spirits unite where legends stand tall. Through frozen dreams we chase the light. Gretzky to Lemieux, igniting the night. 2-on-1 to Lemieux, Kelly's cry resounds. He shoots, he scores, the heavens unbound. Gretzky and Murphy, the pass, the flight. Lemieux's firelights, Canada's night. Oh, true North, we soar, we strive. In the rink of time, our souls come alive. Cops Coliseum hums, the clock ticks tight. 1:26 remains in this fateful fight. Semenko's grip, Hootie stand in the crease. Yet the Soviets surge, the pressure won't cease. Lemieux breaks free, Gretzky's pass like a prayer. Murphy alongside, destiny rides the air. From northern lights to the city's embrace, we carve our truth in the sacred space. For every heart bound by the game's design, Kelly's call echoes, eternal, divine. 2-on-1 to Lemieux, Kelly's cry resounds. He shoots, he scores, the heavens unbound. Gretzky and Murphy, the pass, the flight. Lemieux's firelight, Canada's night. Oh, true North, we soar, we strive. In the rink of time, our souls come alive. Steel Town further, the crowd's mighty roar. The bats held high as legends restore. From 72's triumph, Henderson's name, to 87's clash, we fuel the flame. Kelly's voice, a beacon through the storm, guides the true North where heroes are born. Kelly's cry resounds. He shoots, he scores, the heavens unbound. Gretzky and Murphy, the pass, the flight. Lemieux's firelight, Canada's night. Oh, true North, we soar, we strive. In the rink of time, our souls come alive. Hamilton's heart, a myth was sealed. Gretzky to Lemieux, a nation healed. Canada Cup, where time stands still. Kelly's call, an unbroken will.